Well, good morning. It's a kind of warm one, I feel, this morning compared to what we've had. It's been a little cooler in the mornings usually. Today's a little warmer. Before we get started, we'll kind of go around, check all the critters, give a little bit of grain, give them a nice little treat since we're out here. And then we will have to start working on cleaning up around the flower beds after I weeded them. I have a whole bunch of the weeds and just miscellaneous stuff from what was in the flower beds to clean up. First, grab some grain here for the goats. That way they calm down, aren't so loud over there. All right. Let me get these over. Pretty lady, pretty. So it's getting sunnier. I figured I'd put her bonnet on. Help keep the sun from getting in her eyes. So we got the goats fed, little treats. We'll have to get them a little hay here in a little bit. Jackson load some up for me. Next we will head over, check the cows, give them a little treat, look at their water, look at the quail, make sure they're doing good. Hi, Meredith. What you got? You got your stick? Come here. Come on, tea lady. Oh, big girl. Head over, check the cows. Do you have mama? What, you want some? Ooh, you want some? All right. Hold on. Everybody getting a little snack. Little morning snack. All right, we're gonna sit you guys up. Get busy cleaning up all the weeds.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test.
Okay, so I couldn't bring you along when we were pulling the wagon over. I didn't quite have enough hands to do that with spiderweb. With pulling the wagon, pulling Meredith. I need like one more extra hand, but I put it so you guys could see it did not fall off. I figured it would. Well, we made one piece, so I didn't have to clean it up along the way, so that was nice. One thing I do like, when it comes to weeding, is the goats can benefit from the weeds. I like to nibble on them, so they don't go to waste. They're all nibbling all on it. They could have a nice little snack. They can safely eat the weeds that way and not risk eating my plants. So that's done. I got that all cleaned up around the flower beds. The flower beds all weeded. Next thing would be, just kind of sweeping off the underlayment and then getting either mulch or pea rock for it. But that'll come in time. Biggest thing was just getting it weeded so the flowers didn't get overshadowed by the weeds. So now they can all bloom all pretty and look nice. First part of the flower beds that we started. And like I said, the flowers that are on the outside of my flower bed, these ones right here, I will transplant them back into the garden, into places that, didn't come up. Like, there's a flower here, there should be one there, and another one there that didn't come back up this year. So I can put those in those places. The bleeding heart, kind of want to get another one of those. They bush out real nice. Maybe put it over on this other corner here. And then you got the whole side garden here. Nice and weeded. Looking pretty. But yes, now it's nice and weeded. Next will be just getting it swept off before we lay down anything. But the biggest thing was getting it weeded. So. we can count that as done and successful, and have to find the next project to work on. So stay tuned and see what I come up with. So I've had a little boy begging mommy to fix the four-wheelers so they can have rides on the four-wheeler and whatnot. So I'm gonna see about getting it pulled out here and work on it and hopefully get it started. But first, there's a mess in my way. So I gotta sit you guys down.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great.
I've got the back tire, it's flat, and we'll need aired up. So we will find the air compressor, get that brought out, air up that tire. First I'll probably take the chains off both tires because don't need them, it's summertime now. We'll do that, add a little bit of gas, hook up the jumper cables and see if I can't get it to start up. So we'll give it a whirl. We at least got it started for now. It's running, so hopefully we can keep it running and there's no other issue. It just needed a quick jump start. Since we had such a hard winter, hard on the battery, I couldn't get it to turn over this winter. But we'll get the seat up. I think my littlest one here, James, is super excited. Are you super excited? Yeah, are you happy? Yeah. So we'll see if we can't take this for a quick spin, make sure it's gonna run good. So I'll be right back. Yeah. All right, so I got little sis here with me. We're gonna drive over to the trailer. Kids are grabbing a couple cushions to put on the bottom to sit on. And then we're gonna attempt to drive away and hope this doesn't die on us, because it's still needing to be jump started, so I'm a little nervous. Otherwise I'll be pushing it back, I guess. But we'll give it a try. Tires all seem okay. I aired up to 1. Bring it up here. Meredith, you gonna drive, lady? You are? You gonna drive? Oh my goodness gracious. Are you gonna drive? Are you gonna drive? Alright, so they're getting the trailer hooked up. They got the cushions in the back. Once they got that all situated and connected. I know you're so excited! You're so excited! Well, going up the driveway with it. So Jackson's gonna hold on to the camera while he's in the back there so I can drive. Yep. Come on.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go.
That puddle is the biggest puddle ever. This thing goes down like knee deep.
New engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me.